Paramount Staffing, Workforce Solutions and Employment Opportunities. Overview of Paramount Staffing. Paramount Staffing is a staffing agency that specializes in temporary, temp-to-hire, and direct hire positions. It primarily serves industries such as manufacturing, logistics, distribution, and administrative services. The agency connects job seekers with employers by providing qualified workers for various roles, industries, and job types: warehouse and logistics, forklift operators, material handlers, and shipping receiving clerks, manufacturing and production, assembly line workers, machine operators, and quality control inspectors, administrative and clerical, customer service representatives, data entry clerks, and office assistants, skilled trades, technicians, mechanics, and other specialized labor positions. How to apply for a job with Paramount Staffing. Visit the official website, search for job openings, and apply online. Submit an application. Provide your resume, work history, and skills. Interview process. Attend an interview with a recruiter to match your qualifications with available positions. Job placement. Once approved, you'll be placed in a role that fits your experience and skills. Employer services and workforce solutions. Temporary staffing, short-term workers for seasonal or peak workloads. Temp-to-hire allows businesses to evaluate employees before making permanent hires. Direct hire, recruitment for full-time positions based on company needs. On-site, workforce management, Paramount Staffing provides on-site supervisors and HR support for large teams. Locations and regional presence. Paramount Staffing operates in multiple U.S. cities, including major industrial hubs. Locations include Illinois, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, and other states. Why choose Paramount Staffing? Job seekers benefit from quick hiring, flexible schedules, and career opportunities. Employers gain skilled workers, workforce scalability, and HR support. The company focuses on matching qualified candidates with the right job opportunities efficiently. Paramount Staffing provides comprehensive workforce solutions for job seekers and businesses, making it a trusted resource for employment in logistics, manufacturing, and administrative fields.